Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Ubiquiti UniFi network security settings correctly, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your Ubiquiti UniFi network security settings, ensure you have access to your UniFi controller. Log into your UniFi controller interface using your admin credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section found in the left sidebar. Select the system option within the settings menu. Locate the backup section. Here, you will find options to manage your backups and settings. If you have a previous backup, click on the Restore button. Choose the backup file you wish to restore from your local folder. Confirm the selection to start the restoring process. Wait for the system to complete the restoration. Once the process is finished, revisit the settings menu. Check the network configurations to ensure they reflect the restored settings. Then, go to the security section to verify your security protocols. Make any necessary adjustments to align with your security policies. Review the firewall settings to ensure they match your requirements. Next, check for any signs of unusual activity or configurations. If everything looks correct, save your settings. Finally, reboot your UniFi devices to apply the changes properly. This will ensure that your network operates smoothly with the restored security settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.